Oh, hey, what are you looking at? What am I doing? I'm warming up my foot. I've got my summer hiking boots on, a couple pairs of wool socks. Way colder out here than I thought it was going to be this morning. It is warming up. It's probably minus 15 Celsius, and my left foot is getting cold. I have my laces loose, but my foot's still cold. So I'm using an old trick of swinging my leg, mobilizing the big muscles in my leg to force blood down to my toes to get the circulation going. Feels better almost already. You can do the same thing with your hands. Shake your hands like this, warm them up. Now I could put on a scarf, don't have one. I could put on a toque or a knitted head cover or whatever you guys call it in the US. I don't want to do that because I'll heat up really fast. So I'm just going to do this for a minute or two. Not even a minute. There, feels better already. Here's your winter tip of the day.